Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well. I am Tawhiduzzaman, assistant teacher at Shattapur ML High School. Dear students, welcome to online English grammar class for class 7. Dear students, let us see some pictures and sentences. Two kingfishers is quarreling. What is the wrong with the verb? Is. According to subject, it is not right form of verb. Two kingfishers are quarreling. According to subject, the right form of verb are. See another picture. The eagle is hunt the snake. What is the right form of verb? Is hunting. The eagle is hunting the snake. Here right form of verb is hunting. So our today's lesson is right form of verbs. Dear students, it is not only important for class 7 but also class 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After all, everyone will be benefited by this class. So let us discuss our lesson. At the time of filling in the blanks with right form of verb, a student is to perform two functions at a time. At first, we must read the passage carefully and according to meaning of the sentence, we select for each gap verb from the box, and then we shall put them right form of verb according to tense or according to context. Selecting appropriate verb for the gap, then writing the correct form of verb according to the context. Dear student, to do the work easily, students should read the passage time and again before filling the gap to select appropriate verb for his gap. There is a dolphin show. Find out appropriate verbs to fill in the blanks from the box and apply their right forms according to the context. Dear students, there are some verbs in a box: enjoy, give, conduct, be, can. Passage, we dash see a dolphin show in the picture. Here gap is before main verb see. So there will be an auxiliary verb can. A man conduct the show. A man subject. Gap is after subject and before object. So there will be main verb conduct. Dolphins dash very expert. Here gap is after subject and before adverb. So there will be a verb. Eat dash us pleasure. Eat. Here gap is after subject and before object. So here there will be a main verb give. Everybody dash it very much. Everybody subject gap is after subject and before object it. So there will be enjoy it very much. Now we shall put the correct form of verb. We can see a dolphin show in the picture. A man conduct, a man third person singular. So S or es is added with the verb. Dolphins third person singular. So the verb dolphins are very experts in playing games. It third person singular. So it give S or es is added with the verb give. It gives us pleasure. Everybody third person singular. So enjoy it. But S or es is added with the verb enjoys. The cat likes milk. The cat third person singular. So S or es is added with main verb likes milk. The cat catches rats. The cat third person singular number. So S or es is added with the verb catch. The cat catches rats. Focusing S or es. Number 1. If the subject is third person singular number in present indefinite tense, S or es is added with the verb. Position of S or es. 2 plus es equal to does. Push plus es equal to pushes. Express plus es equal to expresses. Cash plus es equal to cashes. If there is O, S, SH, CH at the last of the word, es is to be added with the verb in the present indefinite tense in case of subject third person singular number. S is used in another places. Dear students, I subject I with first person, you second person, and all subjects are third person. If third person is 1, it will be singular number. If third person is more than 1, it will be third person plural. Do the work. Fill in the blanks with the right use of S or es with the verbs in the box below. There are some verbs in the box: pass, purple, go, push, like, this. There is a passage. Messi is a world famous football player. He dashed to the playground regularly. Before going to the playground, he dashed all related activities. He has a special technique to score goal. If one dash the ball to him, he would dash the ball into the goalpost with a very exciting technique. He dashes friends how to scores goals. Everyone dash to his technique very much. You must read the passage carefully and according to passage, the meaning of the sentences, we select verb from the box for each gap and then put them right form of verb. Let us see the subject and verb agreement. Subject I, verb to be in present form am, verb to be in past form was, verb to have in present form have, verb to have in past form had. Subject we, verb to be in present form are, verb to be in past form were, verb to have in present form have, verb to be in past form had. Subject you, verb to be in present form are, verb to be in past form were, verb to have in present form have, verb to have in past form had. Subject he, verb to be in present form is, verb to be in past form was, verb to have in present form has, verb to have in past form had. Subject she, verb to be in present form is, verb to be in past form was, verb to have in present form has, verb to be in past form had. Subject they, verb to be in present tense or verb to be in past tense were, verb to have in present tense have, verb to be in past tense had. Rohit be pen, verb to be in present tense is, verb to be in past tense was, verb to have in present tense has, verb to had in past tense, verb to have in past tense had. How beautiful the scenery is. If the subject is singular, verb will also be singular. There are two parrots in the whole of the tree. If the subject is plural, verb will also be plural. Fill in the blanks with the verb below according to subject and verb agreement. There are some verbs in the box: am, was, is, are, were, have, had, have. There is a passage. I dash Sujana. I dash Sujana. Here, verb to be in present form am. I am Sujana. My father, verb to be in present form. My father, third person singular. My father is a teacher and mother, third person singular, verb to be in present form is. My mother is a housewife. They, third person plural. The verb to be in present form are. They are my best well wishers. They dash in London in 1995. Here 1995. This sentence is past tense. So they verb to be in past form. They was in London in 1995. We dash the sense of we verb to have in present form present tense have. We have the sense of conducting happy family. I dash a brother. Here, but to have in present tense, I have a brother also. He dash a parrot. Here, he but to have in present tense has. He has a parrot. It dash bought from a man. It third person singular. It but to have in present tense has. It has brought from a man. I dash a pussycat. Here, verb to have in present tense. I have a pussycat, but it is no more. If last, yesterday, ago, long since, or any past indicated phrase is available in a sentence, the verb will be past. Fill in the blanks with right form of verbs from the box below. Use negative where necessary. You can use a word more than once. Dear student, there are some verbs in the box: come, take, go, enjoy, visit, be, look, guess. We read the passage carefully. Last week I dashed to my village. I dashed green paddy fields. Gentle breeze dash blowing over the fields. It dash very charming. I also dash fields with some fishermen. Long time ago I dashed my village with some of my friends. They also dashed the village very much, but this time I dashed them with me. I only dashed my intimate friend Ashik. Yesterday we dashed back to our residence in the town. We read the passage and select verb from the box for its gap. Last week I go to my village. I dash green paddy. I look green paddy fields. Gentle breeze dash blowing. Here gap is before main verb blowing. So there will be an a verb over the fields. It dash very charming. It look. I also dash fishes. I also catch fishes with some fishermen. Long time ago, I visit my village with some of my friends. They also enjoy the village very much. But this time I take them with me. I only dash my intimate friend Ashik. Yesterday we come back to our residence in the town. So we selected verb from the box and we shall put them right form of verb. Last week I go. The sentence is past tense, so a verb will also be past form. I went to my village. I looked green paddy. I looked green paddy fields. Gentle breeze dash blowing. Here gentle breeze was blowing over the fields. It looked very charming. I also caught fishes with some fishermen. Long time ago, I visited my village with some of my friends. They also enjoyed the village very much, but this time I, dear students, here the sentence will be negative. If the past tense is negative, there will be auxiliary verb did and base form of verb. But this time I did not take we did not take them with me. I only took my intimate friend Ashik. Yesterday we came back to our residence in the town. Homework. Write a passage about yourself showing the right form of 10 verbs like I am a student, I read in class 7. Dear students, you write 10 sentences. You will write 10 sentences with 10 right form of verb. Goodbye. See you again next class.